afternoon, ma'am. My name is Charnabel Solar, and today I'm going to do something like that. The invitation for this is to minimize the spread of microorganisms for patients with circulation of blood, for patients comfort and relaxation, personal hygiene, and to protect the skin condition of the patient, to avoid bed sores such as cubitus ulcer and ulcers. So first, I'm going to do the sequence. So read and check the chart of the patient, then knock on the patient's door for courtesy. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rebecca Calar. I am your caretaker from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. May I know your name, ma'am? The security check the response of the patient. Then after that, explain the procedure, ma'am, and also do anything like that for you to avoid microorganisms to spread for your comfort and relaxation and so on. So it will appeal to you, ma'am. Then check the vital signs of the patient. After checking the vital signs of the patient, application to leave. So ma'am, I'm going to leave for a while to prepare the material. So raise side ears and lap. Then go to the mixing station to prepare the materials. Then after preparing the materials, wearing PPE, go on washing. After that, go back to the patient's room. Then knock on the patient's room for courtesy. Ma'am, and back. But before we begin to start the procedure, may I know if you want to urinate or tolerate? Okay, no. So, close the curtains for patient's privacy. Then, get the back blanket. Put it in the neck of the patient. Then, change the top sheet or back blanket. So, roll the top sheet. Below. Then next is I'm going to turn patient to lateral position. So, raise the furthest arm. The nearest arm at the abdomen. Flex or bend the knee. But first I'm going to pull the patient towards me to avoid from patient falling. So, turn patient to lateral position. Support the shoulder in the buttock. Then, remove the gum. Apply the cord. Then, back to supine position. Support the shoulder in the buttock. Remove first from the nearest arm. The next is the farthest arm. Remove gum and put it to the improvised hammer. Set aside. Then get towel, put it under the patient's head. Then other blanket to the chest of the patient. To avoid soiling the linen. Then get the small towel, make a knit. Then start cleaning first from inner to outer canthus. So wash and clean with inner canthus, outer canthus. Wash and clean inner to outer canthus, inner to outer canthus. Then wash the face using F-stroke. So wash with rinse, forehead to the cheek, to the bridge of the nose, cheek, chin, towel to dry the pot dry the face and the neck. Next is remove towel, put it to the farthest arm. Cover. Wash, rinse, rinse, add soap. Smooth, distal to proximal, distal to proximal, long firm stroke, the attention to the axilla, cover. Wash, rinse, rinse. Smooth, distal to proximal, long firm stroke, the attention to the axilla, cover. Then, get the pieces, pat dry. Then, get the pieces with nail brush and soap. Move the towel towards the hand. Then, do initial rinsing. Then, wash. Pay attention in between the fingers. Then, add soap. Pay attention between the fingers. Then, using the nail brush, brush the nails of the patient. Then, rinse the hand. Pay attention between the fingers. Then, remove the basin. Then, pat dry. Do the same procedure to the other hand. Next, remove the towel. Put the towel at the patient's back. Then, ask permission to the water. Sir, I'm going to open the chest part of the patient for you to see my stroke. The water says yes. Wait a minute. Expose. Wash with rinse. With sternum, under the breast, side, cross, cover. Wash with rinse. Expose. With sternum, other side of the breast. Under the breast, side, cross, cover, wash with rinse, add soap, expose, with sternum, under the breast, side, cross, cover, wash with rinse, with sternum, under the breast, side, cross, then wash with rinse, with sternum, under the breast, side, cross, wash with rinse, sternum, other side of the breast, and under the breast, side, cross, then cover. Now pat dry. Now I'm going to lower the towel to the abdomen part. Then ask permission to the watcher. After, I'm going to open the abdomen part of the patient for you to see my stroke. Yes. Make a mitt. Wash with rinse. Divide the abdomen to 4 quadrants. So, expose. Left, right, upper quadrant. Please pay attention to the umbilicus. Cover. Wash with the lower extremities. Remove the towel. Cover. Take a minute. Wash, rinse. Expose the lower extremity. So distal to proximal, long firm stroke. Pay attention to the potential area and joint. Cover. Wash, rinse, add soap. Expose, distal to proximal, long firm stroke. Pay attention to the potential area and joint. Cover. Wash, rinse. Expose, distal to proximal, long firm stroke. Pay attention to the potential area and joint. Cover. Then pat dry. Next is to the full part of the patient. So get the basin. Bend or touch the knee. Then do initial rinsing. Wash, pay attention in between the toenails. Then add soap. Pay attention in between the toenails. Then using a brush, brush the finger and toenails. Then after that, rinse. Then set aside all the things. Then pat dry. Do the same procedure to the other leg. Now I'm going to remove the towel. Put patient into lateral position. So raise the farthest arm. Then the nearest arm to the abdomen. Then flex or bend the knee. Then support the shoulder and the muscle. So count to 3, 1, 2, 3, lateral position. Let the towel. Cover the back of the patient. Then take a minute. Wash, rinse. Expose. Interior superior. Long term stroke. Pay attention to the local area. Cover. Wash, rinse, add soap. Interior to superior. Long term stroke. Pay attention to the local area. Cover. Wash, rinse. Expose, anterior superior, long term stroke, pay attention to the local area, then cover, then pat dry. Next is to the bottom part of the patient. So, expose, a little minute, then expose. Wash, rinse. Circular stroke. shuffle, cover, wash with rinse and soap, expose, circular stroke, each pay attention to the area crest, other area crest, fake chrome, caustics, is shown, then the shuffle. Cover, wash with rinse, expose, circular stroke, pay attention to the area crest, then the other area crest, fake chrome, caustics, is shown, then the shuffle. Then cover. Then cut dry. Next is I'm going to offer a back massage to the patient. So go in front of the patient. Ma'am, I'm going to offer you a back massage. So which do you prefer? Do you prefer lotion, oil, or powder? The patient chooses lotion. So remove soiled gloves. Then remove soiled gloves. Then apply lotion to your palm. Expose. Then I'm going to start the different kinds of strokes. So ethnerage, then massage or apply pressure. Next is kneading. Then couple neck. Then vibration. Then